My name is Silvia Ferraris. I am Italian, living in Novara, not far from Milan. After the high school, I graduated in engineering with specialization in production and logistics. I have been working at Cummins for 17 years, based at the Cummins site, where we produce axle and brakes for the truck and bus application. I began my career in the supply chain department, where I stayed for 10 years, more or less. And for the past 5 years, I am the plant director of the Cummins site, and I am member of the board of directors of my company. I am plant director in an axle plant in the automotive industry here in Italy. The plant is quite big, approximately 130,000 square meter, employing about 500 people across various departments. My responsibility include the safety environment, operation for production, manufacturing and maintenance, supply chain and quality. My journey to become a plant manager was driven by a deep passion for technology, efficiency, and leadership. From an early age, I was intrigued by how things work, which naturally steered me towards a career where I could oversee complex systems and streamline processes. And beyond the technical aspect, I have always enjoyed leading teams, solving problems, and driving change. And my motivation stems from the belief that a well-managed plant involves more than machine and processes, but it's about people and innovation that need to work together to achieve the success for the company. My workday starts really early in the morning because it's crucial for a plant director to have a clear understanding of the previous day's events. I review all the plant's KPI for the safety, quality, cost, output, the customer credibility. And after an alignment that we have every single day at 9 a.m. with my team, I conduct some specific meetings to improve processes, make decisions about some change in the plant, both for the organization and also for the strategical. And I spent really a lot of hours in the shop floor to listening and to engage with the employee in order to continue to have really a positive work environment. Since I was very young, I have had a passion for math and science, attending a high school with really extensive coursework in math, physics, and chemistry. I chose to pursue engineering at university, really to deep dive into technology and science. That was my passion. During my study in engineering and in this industrial management, I realized that manufacturing is really the central for the innovation, and I decided to work in this field. It was really good, the role of plant manager, because allowed me to combine the technical knowledge, the leadership skill, the people management. So really a combination of these three things that make me happy every single day. And if I could restart my career path and my study, I think that I would choose the same academic and career path. This is some of the key skill that I have, that I use every single day, not only for the day by day, but also for the strategic planning of the job. First of all, need problem solving skill, because every day we could have some issue in a plant, and we need to understand how to manage quickly this disruption in order to continue to maintain our productivity and meet our target. I am really curious, and this is really an important skill, because that drives me continues to explore new technologies and processes to improve the efficiency and sustainability of our operation, because the main goal is to continue to be competitive in the automotive industry for our company. I am really task-oriented. It's important to be really focused on the goal that we set. because it's important that our team, my team member, are aligned and that each part of the process is executed according to the high standard. People management is really crucial in my position because I lead a diverse team and I need every day to motivate, to develop employees, to ensure that they are really engaged and productive. And it is important that I continue to foster a culture where teamwork and respect are paramount. In my role, the time management is fundamental because it's really important to prioritize the task. When you manage really a big, large plant, you need to understand the priority to balancing the production, maintenance, and really try to make some balancing between this thing and the quality and safety that is our main target in the plant. The last but not least is the empathy, because it's really key in managing a large workforce. It's important to understand the challenges my team face and to create a supportive work environment for them. Yeah, with my study and career path, really, I can work in different kind of industry and different role. Actually, I can work in manufacturing engineering, not only in the automotive business where I am, but also in other kind of business as pharmaceutical, food and beverage, electronic. I can have some support for the energy and sustainability, for logistics and supply chain, and also in consulting and business strategy. So with my career path is really true that we can work in a different environment, in different process and in different industry. As plant manager, there's really every day a range of challenges that require a mix of technical expertise, leadership, and problem solving. If I could consider the main two, is the operational efficiency and productivity, is really a balancing between maximizing production while minimizing the waste and downtime. We need to balance in cost reduction with quality and safety to continue to be competitive, and managing also unexpected disruption like equipment failure, supply chain delays, labor shortages. That is what happen every single day in a plant. And the other challenge is related to the workforce, because people is key in a plant. And so we continue to motivate and training people, resolving conflict between workers, supervisor, department. And the other big challenge that we have is continue to attract and retain skilled talent in a competitive market. My suggestion to the student is to continue to stay curious, embrace new challenges, not to be afraid to think differently. And the other suggestion that I want to give to the student is that they need to choose a job that really they like it. Because if we think about 24 hours in a day, 8 to 10 hours in the job, in the work. So it's really important that they embrace some career path that they like, and they continue to be passionate about what they want to do. I want to encourage teachers to engage students with high enthusiasm, because we don't need perfect students. We need students that is able to learn and remain in the STEM field. The world is changing rapidly, and we need a new generation to support these changes. And to the parents, I want to suggest to continue to inspire the children as much as possible, giving them the opportunity to travel, to visit the science and technical museum, and to continue to engage their curiosity, because it's really important. There's many resources that is available in order to understand more about the plant manager. There's some STEM engineering platform, LinkedIn and professional network is really a good way to understand what a plant manager do every single day, and many books and articles that are available on the network, yes. My transition from engineering study to become a plant manager was really shaped by passion, curiosity, and hands-on experience. Studying engineering provides a strong foundation in problem solving, process optimization, and technical knowledge, but it was really my real experience on the shop floor that helped me to confirm that I want to continue to stay in a world in which I can combine the technical challenges with the people management. So this is really the main driver of my career path, this combination between the technical expert and the leadership and the people.